Hey everyone, and welcome to Capital Jeep. My name is Natasha, and today I'm going to walk you through this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport in bright white. So your headlights and running lights. Under the hood is a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine. Coming around to the sides, currently sitting on 18-inch rims. We have your black Cherokee badge. And your heated exterior mirrors. Opening up the door, we have a bit of storage in the door, your exterior mirrors, windows, and locks. Then you have your headlamp adjuster. And then we have this cloth seating throughout with a manual adjusted seat. Opening up the back, storage in the door, your window. Some storage behind the seats. Your back cloth. It is a 40-60 split bench, so it does fold down quite easily to give you easy access to the back. Coming around to the back, we have our black 4x4 badge and our black Jeep badge. Backup camera. And this is the back cargo area. So lots of room throughout, and especially with the back seat able to fold down, gives you plenty of room. And then this section lifts up to storage. And we do have a 12-volt DC down here as well. Taking a look at the other side, we got some storage in your door, your window, your seating. This section is the 40. And then taking a look at on the passenger side here, we have our windows and locks, and then your manually adjustable seat, and the glove compartment. I'm going to grab the key to show you the rest inside. So here's the key. We have our panic button, unlock, lock, and remote start. So we have our we have our steering wheel mounted controls. So we have our cruise control options, our phone voice recognition. This allows us to scroll through our dash here. So we have our vehicle info. So we have tire pressure, coolant temperature, transmission temperature, oil life, and battery voltage. Fuel economy, trip info. So we have trip A or B. Audio, messages, screen setup, and back to our speed. So there's 47,424 kilometers on this vehicle, so plenty of life left. But if you want to make sure you're fully covered, do speak to your financial advisor about purchasing any extended warranties. And then we have our touchscreen display here. So we have our AM, FM satellites, we have media, so we have USB, aux, or Bluetooth, our phone, compass, and climate. As well as when we put our vehicle into reverse, it does show up. And then we have the hazards. We can turn the screen off. To turn it back on, we just tap on the screen. Then we have our traction control off, back, volume tuner, climate controls, and then we have our SD, USB, aux, 12-volt DC. We have select terrain, so whenever you put it into the selected terrain, it adjusts its drive accordingly. So we have snow, sport, sun, / mud. And then we have our park brake, our 2 cup holders, and then the section here lifts up to some storage. This is our first section, and then it lifts up once more. Alright, so that's my video on this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Sport in bright white. If you want to come check it out for yourself, we're at 1311 101st Street, Southwest Edmonton. Hope to see you soon at Capital Jeep.